6, 5, 4, 3, 2,
Hey,
1.
water on my wrist, I think that bitch just drowned, eh. Baby seen her drip, I think she want me now, yeah. All you fucking... Man, what's up, y'all? It's your boy Watt. Now, I told y'all I was gonna bring out another one, so here it is. Now, today, I will be printing out the shirts. The shirts? What shirts? The shirts that I did in my last video, so if y'all ain't watching, go watch that shit. Y'all disrespectful. Anyways, I'm about to be putting designs on 24 shirts because on Sunday, I'm gonna be going to a flea market and actually trying to sell a few of my shirts. Hopefully sell them all. The reason why I want to go to the flea market is because I have a few designs. And yeah, I think they cool. And I could just throw them on my site and just get to selling. But what I want to do first, I want to just get a feel for what people actually like before I actually start trying to mass produce a particular item. And so I'm about to go ahead and get this thing started. Stop wasting y'all time because I know y'all want quality. Goddamn. But yeah, without further ado, man, let's get to it, man. Straight up. Alright, so yeah, I got everything plugged up, everything ready to go. I'm not gonna be pressing every shirt today. I'm just gonna be pressing the ones that I got pre-printed. So yeah, let's get it. Yeah, so these are a few of the designs that I'll be printing on the shirts. They don't look like nothing much right now, but yeah, it's gonna be hard when we put them on the shirts. So let's do it, bro. Let's do it, bro. these are the shirts that I got done so far. I mean, nothing too crazy. You know what I'm saying? These are the shirts that I got done so far. I fuck with this one. This one is hard, bro. I really like that one. I gotta make another one of those, but I gotta print out another back piece to it. But yeah, these are the shirts that I got done so far. Yeah. So I gotta finish that up tomorrow. So I'm about sleepy as hell. It's like, it's like 2:56. I feel cross-eyed as hell. But yeah, I'm sleepy as hell. As y'all can probably tell by my face. But yeah, I just got those shirts done, and now I'm about to go to sleep probably. And I'm gonna finish up the rest tomorrow. But I'm sleepy. I've been up since like 9 this morning, so I'm sleepy. But yeah, I want to still make something for the white shirts. I ain't get to do no white shirts today, but I think I know what I want to do. But I just want to, make another design for it and try to like execute the design the way I want it, or the way I see it in my head. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, man, I'm holding the camera all flimsy, but yeah, I'll catch y'all tomorrow, man. See y'all. Oh shit, boy, that forehead look humongous. I know it's humongous, don't play with me. Alright, man, what's up, y'all? So I'm getting closer and closer to the day of the sale. I just put an ad out on Instagram telling people where it's at and everything, just letting people know that it's actually happening or whatever. So now, the last thing I need to do is I need to put the S logo that I put up on all of my shirts. I need to put those on the shirts. Once I'm done with that, I got some more shit to do. But it is what it is. Hey, this business stuff is like, it's low key stressful. Like it's not super stressful, like it's fun, but at the same time it's low key stressful, bro. So if you do decide to actually start your own business, understand that it's not gonna be all fun and games making money. Like, nah, it's a lot of work that goes into everything you gotta do to actually, make the brand progress. But yeah, I'm about to go ahead and do that. I wanna make a flyer. It's a lot of stuff that I wanna do, so I just wanna go ahead and get that stuff done. Man, I need to get another camera, bro, cause I promise you this camera about heavy as hell. It weigh like 45 pounds, that's what it feel like, bro. No cap. But yeah, I'm about to go ahead and do that. So and I ain't gonna even make y'all watch it, so y'all ain't gotta worry. I ain't gonna do y'all like that. But yeah, I'm about to go ahead and do that, and then I'll hit y'all up probably tomorrow, or probably when I get the shirts done, cause I want to show y'all the shirts. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do that. So alright, man, so finally done with all the shirts, you know what I'm saying? Finally done with them guys. Hold the camera awkward. But yeah, man, I'm finally done with those. I made some little tags that I'm gonna just put up in the bag, some little thank you cards. Oh shit. I made some little thank you cards I'm gonna put inside the bags and stuff. Something like, you know what I'm saying? I ain't really get to do nothing too crazy, cause like I said, this was like, this wasn't really all that prepared, so I wasn't really able to do like some top-notch stuff as far as like the little thank you cards. But eventually I'm gonna get like some 5 thank you cards. When are my stickers at? Oh, yep. Got my little stickers and stuff like that. So yeah, man, we lit. So yeah, I just really want to make that video for the TV or whatever. So really, after I do that, then I'm pretty much done. So yeah, I'll see y'all tomorrow, man. What's up, y'all? Good morning. It's 7:30 a.m. Ain't too early, but I'm still sleepy, bro. I don't usually wake up this early. But that's what happens when you got a business or whatever. So I'm just packing my bag and everything, trying to put everything in the bag, trying to get everything ready, you know what I'm saying? You can tell I'm just waking up. I'm still sleepy, goddamn. Yeah, man, I'm about to go try to go get this booth. So yeah, I'll see y'all there. Alright, y'all, so I got everything set up, you know what I'm saying? Got my square and everything right here. Yeah, so I guess we just gonna see how everything go.
For sure.
And today we are here with Dennis Compton, owner of Wapnami. All right, Dennis, tell us a little bit more about Wapnami.
So, Wapnami stands for World of People Not Accepting Misinformation, or World of People Not Accepting Misidentification. So basically, the premises of the line is, can't nobody tell you who you are and what you're supposed to do in life. And yeah, that's what we rock with. So, that's how we rock.
All right, Dennis. Yeah, so tell me the meaning of this shirt right here.
All right, so it says created to disrupt the status quo. So basically that means that Wapnami was created to change people's minds and alter people's minds from what they really think. All the traditional thoughts that people have in their mind, all the societal standards that people have, I want them to get those things out of their mind, because only you can tell you what to do. That's how I truly feel. So I just wanted to make a line that displays that.
Okay. Now we also have another shirt right here, and if you can tell me a little bit more about that.
Okay, so it says the world ends when angels get bored. So basically, that basically means like it's good people in the world. There's good people all around the world, but the world kind of pushes them into a state of mind that turns them into demons or bad people. So I just want people to understand that just because they're not what you want them to be doesn't mean that they're bad people. Just because they're not the race that you think is superior. Just because they're not the sexuality that you think is right. Just because they're not the type of person in these traditional standards that the world has. Just because they're not that doesn't mean that they're a bad person. Everybody has their own choice of what they want to do in life. And yeah, so leave people alone because they'll become a demon. I'd like to thank everybody that came out today for supporting me, buying a couple t-shirts, you know what I'm saying, to help fund me, bro. I just want to progress from here. I just want to make everybody proud who came out. Straight up. Thank you. Alright, man, I'm hot as fuck. Man, it was a success, man. Did real good. I'm bad with the numbers and shit, so I gotta still count up how much I made, but I'll definitely let y'all know once I figure out how much I made. Alright, what's up, y'all? So, I'm back home. I had to take a little nap because I was tired, but today was a success. I think I made about, I know I made about $365. Man, today was lit, man. It was just amazing. I never seen myself, even going that far with this whole clothing thing. So it's kind of real cool to, have done this and to have experienced this. Doing it at a flea market is kind of weird, you know what I'm saying? But everybody got their humble beginnings. And the flea market was a tough market because, everybody that goes to a flea market, they go in there to get, deals. The price of my shirts is $25, and people that was coming past, they were like, but all in all, I did good for the day. So I'd like to thank everybody who came out, you know what I'm saying? I'd like to thank my friend Jennifer. She really helped me out, with all the folding. She said helping my folding sucks. So Jennifer, you know what I'm saying? Thank you for helping me out. She got a brand herself. It's called Black Tina. I'll put that link down below. You know what I'm saying? So y'all can check that out for her. I'd like to thank my friend Kiana. You know what I'm saying? She came out. She was the first person to come out. You know what I'm saying? Get my mind right. You know what I'm saying? Help me with a few things. I'd like to thank my friend Ken. You know what I'm saying? He was actually the first person to actually buy a shirt for me. So I really want to thank him. You know what I'm saying? For being my first sale. And I'd like to thank my friend Daquan, man. He always does, you know what I'm saying? He always does when it comes to the support period, you know what I'm saying? Everybody always does. I appreciate everybody. I appreciate y'all. Today was a pretty cool day, man. Today was a pretty cool day, and everybody who came out to support me made it that way. So with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this one up. Thank y'all for watching. If y'all have any questions, any other video suggestions y'all think I should do, I know I'm gonna start doing this entrepreneur like video thing more often because I kind of like it. It's hard to do, and I'm still not good at it, and that's probably why the video is probably gonna be like missing a few things, but I'm gonna get better. And yeah, I appreciate y'all for watching once again, and I'll see y'all later, man. Peace.